If you want to play Forza Horizon 6 on Android, there's one important thing you need to know first. This game is not installed directly on your phone like a normal mobile app. Instead, you'll be using cloud gaming, which streams the game from Microsoft servers straight to your Android device. That means you can play a high-quality console game on your phone without needing a powerful gaming setup. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming guides. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need is Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. This subscription is required because it includes cloud gaming access. Without Ultimate, you won't be able to stream Forza Horizon 6 on Android through the Xbox Cloud Gaming service. So open your browser, go to the official Xbox website and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have Game Pass Ultimate, purchase the plan that includes cloud streaming. Once your subscription is active, move on to the next step. Now go to the Google Play Store on your Android phone and download the Xbox app. Make sure you install the official app from Microsoft, not any third-party version. After the app finishes installing, open it and sign in using the same Microsoft account that has Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. This is very important because the app needs to recognize your active subscription before cloud gaming will work. Once you're signed in, look for the cloud gaming section inside the Xbox app. Depending on the app version, you may see it under the main menu, the Game Pass area, or a cloud tab. Tap on cloud gaming to open the streaming library. From there, search for Forza Horizon 6. If the game is available for cloud play on your account, you'll see it listed and ready to launch. Tap the game, wait for the stream to load, and then the game will open right on your Android device. At this point, you can start playing just like you would on a console, but everything is being streamed over the internet. For the best experience, use a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection or a very reliable mobile data connection. Cloud gaming works best when your network is fast and consistent because that reduces lag and keeps the game smooth. You may also want to connect a Bluetooth controller since racing games like Forza usually feel much better with physical controls. Once your controller is connected, you're ready to race. So to recap, the process is simple. Get Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, install the Xbox app on Android, sign in, open cloud gaming, and launch Forza Horizon 6. That's the full setup for playing on Android through cloud streaming. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy gaming tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.